If your trading results don't look like this, or with a balance like this, $102,000, which was last week, then pay attention because I am going to teach you to trade. The mentorship reopened today and it's available until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can learn all of it inside of my Telegram. I'm going to put the link at the top of the screen as well as down below in the description. Okay. So these are the results I get consistently, and I take you on the journey just like I did yesterday, where I showed all of my trade results, my balances, etc. The mentorship is actually going to walk you through zero to hero because trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about securing your future, and it's recession, inflation, and layoff proof. There's nothing else out there on the market that's going to teach you literally step by step how to trade. There's 10 zero to hero videos that turn you into a full-time trader, everything that you need. There's a 150 plus resource trading vault, and that has a value of 2,000, while the first 10 videos have a value of 3,000. And you get to access all of my courses and classes. You get to access the hustle, which is one of my strategies, the spillover, the masterclass parts 1 and 2, the advanced rejection strategy, the two-touch strategy, my full foundation, and the golden setup. The golden setup is what you've been seeing inside my videos, as well as the spillover. If you are not getting the results that you thought you were going to get with whatever strategy that you're using, then you need to come inside of Telegram and hit me up because I'm going to show you how to actually get a profit. I also have a program called Trade Like Me, and it's literally one-to-one. We meet via video every single week, and I show you how to trade like me. The mentorship is instant access. Now I can't show you part 1 because that's where all the video links are, but you get access to the full trading vault. It's a ton of videos. It's over 150 different resources, Bibles, etc. You don't have to suck at trading. This could be as simple as jumping in, getting profit, and leaving. It's what I do every single day to get balances like the ones that I showed you. Right now, decide what you want to do. You can go inside my free Telegram and follow along with the different strategies that I post. There's useful links, resources, strategies, lessons, etc. Or you can get serious about what you're doing and learn to trade and make an actual profit that is going to allow you to leave your 9 to 5. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe.